Welcome back to Library Trust Fashion and Style. In today's class we are going to learn how to make this metal snap button. I use this to make the bow on this dress detachable. You can see it, and I use this machine, the metal snap, and these dies. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can do this. If this is something you like to learn, kindly stay tuned to the end of this tutorial. Thank you. So these are metal snap buttons, and it comes in different colors, as you can see. So it has 4 parts. This is the cap, okay, this that is white, you can see the back. So this is the cap, this is the socket. So the cap goes together with the socket, these two goes together, and then the last 2 parts for that, this is the stud. The stud is smaller, as you can see. This is the back, this is the stud, and this is the post. So the post is longer, as you can see. So the stud and post also goes together. So I'm going to be attaching this with this grommet machine. So for you to be able to attach it, you will need to work with the dies. Okay, so for each of these pattern, for each of these that I have shown you, they come with their own special dies. So this dice is for the cap, this dice is for the socket, this dice is for the stud, and this dice is for the post. And like I said, they all go together. You can see the difference. Okay, you can see the difference that they all have. So now for you to be able to do it, you bring in your grommet machine. Okay, so now this is the machine. You are going to be starting with the cap and the socket. So the cap is the wide one here, while this is the socket. You can see the head. So the cap, I'm going to fix it underneath like this, and then the socket has this screw. So this screw, you are going to screw it upwards on your grommet machine like this. You can see how I am screwing it. So you screw the socket upwards. So I'm using this to attach this detachable bow, to this dress that I made. So what you want to do first is to identify where you want to place this bow. So I'm just going to place the center of the bow at the zipper area, which is the center of this dress. Okay, and then I'm going to chalk that part that I want it to be, or you can just place chalk here and press it on it so that you will know the exact point you want to place this bow. So I have marked it. You can see the points here. I have marked the 2 points, and then I've marked it on the bow as well. So for this to be easier for us, I'm going to teach us the metal snap on a plain fabric so that we can see it better. So the cap, I'm going to place it under like this, and then the stud, okay, this closed, this the shiny part. Okay, that's what this shiny part is, what is going to be facing up, while this is going to be under, because you want it to be showing. So you just fix it under like this. Okay, so you can see it, I've placed it underneath it like that. So before you place it, you are going to make a hole with the size of this cap that you are working with. So you can use a soldering iron. I'm going to use this hole that I have. I'll just use it to pierce through it. It's going to be small, just enough for this to pass through it. That is all you need. Okay, if it's not enough, I'm going to make the hole bigger. So after that, I'm going to place it like this, and you can see now that it has entered it. So that is when you're going to place it back like this, and then I'm going to press it down. So now you can see, after pressing it, this is what we have. So this is what it looks like. You can see, let me try to focus the camera. You can see it. This is what it looks like on the inside, and this is what it looks like externally. So that is how you attach the cap and the stud. So for the other side, which is the stud and post, I'm going to remove the dies that I used for this, and then I'm going to bring in the 2 dies for the stud and the post. So this is going to be under. The big ones are usually under, and then the ones with screw is what we are going to be screwing upwards like this. So I'll go ahead and screw this upwards. So I screwed the one with screw upwards like this, you can see, and then this big one I'm going to place it downwards and then screw it as well. So the post is going to be downwards, which is the long one. I'm just going to fix it like this, and then the stud is going to be upwards. So this part is going to be down and this part is going to be, so this part I'm just going to fix it inside like this. It's going to stay, and then I'm going to place it under and then just press it. So just press it like once or twice, make sure it's holding, and once you press it, this is what you have. So now you can glue them together just like this. So it is this same principle that I'm going to use for the dress that I'm working on. I'm going to place it on the dress and then bring it back to show us what we have. So I'm gonna head to attach the cap and the sockets to the dress, you can see, and then to the bow I attached the stud and the post to the bow. So you can see the stud and the post, and then you can see the cap and socket. So all you just need to do is to go ahead and clip them together. So you pin this on this side and then you pin this on this side as well, and your bow is attached. Look at that. So it's simple and it makes the bow detachable and easy to wear. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful tutorial with me. If you enjoyed it, let us know in the comment section. Like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.